It has been a while, so let me catch you up on what's been going on and show you a little bit what I am dealing with here. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a minute, it has been a while. I'm not back on the regular schedule just yet, but I did want to pop in because I know that, and maybe many of you noticed, I did not put up my October sewing buzz video. It just wasn't gonna happen. I must say, I have missed you all. Have you missed me? But I thank you everybody for all of your congratulations, all of your support, messages, emails, DMs. It has been just awesome, and I do apologize in advance for the delay in responding to emails and stuff. I mean, the past couple months have been truly busy, and I think I had mentioned that early on that there would be delays if I see, especially if I'm tagged on a Instagram story or something like that. Those go away at some point, I believe. And so yeah, because I've gone a full week without being on social media, maybe just to peek around, but so far as posting and all of that, if anybody's following me over Instagram and stuff like that, you already know. So I wanted to come in and just share with you real quick. Okay, I'm standing in my sewing room. It is officially October. The time that I'm recording this, it is officially October. And so starting the first week of October, I will be slowly getting this room together. So let me just share with you what I'm working with. I'm gonna share with you first the clip before everything got in here, and then I'll share with you the clip after everything is in here. Okay, this is a hallway that is leading into this is considered the second bedroom, and so it's right by the bathroom there. So it's a little hallway, and behind me is the other bedroom. But anyway, and this is before everything has arrived. So this is the room. I just have my stuff in the middle here. The start of things. Everything isn't here yet this day that I'm filming this, but it has one window in here, and so I will be figuring out how to get everything set up. Of course, that's going to take some time, but this one has a very large closet with double doors. And so let me make sure this focus. So when you come in the closet, down this way there's space, which is pretty deep, but then on this side is even deeper. So yeah, and we just need to put a light in here. We're going to just put a light so we can see in here, but there is so much space. And I want to hopefully have not, let's see if this, okay, so hopefully I don't want to have a lot of stuff. I know how I want the storage to be. I don't want a lot of visible things. So I think I know what wall I might want my sewing table set up at, and then the cutting table. Yeah, we shall see. I'm thinking on this wall is where I want all of my sewing machines set up, and then the cutting table over there, and maybe I don't know, we shall see. But anyway, this is just kind of the initial look of things. It does have a ceiling fan, which I'm very happy about, and so yeah, but this is the door that I walked in. So that's the door that I walked in. So yeah, it's gonna be fun figuring out how I want things set up. It's gonna take some time. I'm sure I'm gonna make tweaks and whatnot over the next year. But initially, we shall see how it gets set up. All right. Okay, here is a quick look. Everything is in here. Well, Actually, it is not. I have boxes that's sitting in the living room and the dining room as well. But I just want to give you guys just an overview of where I just had all the movers just dump things. And so, yeah. This is, So hopefully the next clip you'll see is just me having just organized the mess. Not that everything will be completely set up, but yeah, it is a lot. And I'm excited about having everything in one room now. All right, I'll check back in later. Yeah, so what I'm not worried about is getting this to the final look or how I want everything, because I'm so excited about everything being in one room now. And so it's a decent sized space. I love the closet space, which will be used for storage and other items. And so my main focus is to, my husband is actually going to help me move everything out because we got boxes all over the house. Obviously, anybody who has moved or anything like that, you already know how it goes. But we have boxes and totes. We've unpacked our kitchen. We've unpacked the master. You know, those high traffic areas that we know we use a lot. We got those unpacked. Now I'm transitioning into this room. But my goal only at this point is to move some things out of the room that I showed you, because I'm standing like in the middle of the room and there's nothing but totes and boxes and everything around me. I kind of squeezed in here so I can record this video. And so only thing the first priority is to hook up our printer, and then to just set up the sewing table where the machines will go, put the machines on there because the machines are kind of sitting on the floor, set up the cutting table, and then began going through the boxes. And so with that being done first, it will allow me to do some sewing, but I'm just going to be honest, I'm not going to look to sew anything until November. So I'm giving myself a whole month to begin to kind of unpack, because the one thing here, a lot of stuff will be in boxes probably for a while. And when I say a while, probably, I don't know, month or two, couple months, even maybe to the beginning of the year, only because there was a system I thought I wanted in place, because I don't want anything really exposed like I did before. I had things where you can see them. I'm not really that type of storage person. I like things hidden and I can open it and get what I need, but I don't like things just exposed everywhere. So I'm switching up some of the things I originally was planning on getting and doing something different. And so that costs money, obviously, but it's very possible I can have it done by the end of November, though. Beginning of December, we shall see. You know, I've been saving and everything like that because I haven't been pattern shopping. So that is where we are with that. So sewing content will come sometime in November, because I do have a couple projects I need to do, which I'm fine with. You know, the company was very good with working with me during this time of transition. So real quick, I have definitely missed you all, but I must say, and for content creators probably feel the same way, I don't know, I haven't the slightest idea, but I've been on YouTube for several years now, right? I've never taken a break, either officially like this for moving or anything, or just a break period. And what I have found, at least for me, I loved it. While I missed talking to you guys and everything like that, I caught up on comments and everything. I absolutely loved the break, and it got me to thinking that why don't creators take breaks more often? And I'm not talking about these breaks. I don't know if you watch some other content creators outside of sewing, because I watch all kind of creators. And I remember watching a video, and I'm just now trying to peek around on YouTube watching videos, but it's not really a success because it's just too much going on. Plus we got slammed at work. But anyway, I was watching somebody's video, this content creator, and granted, yes, this person has, I don't know, she had 1 million subscribers or something like that. I don't know, or close to it. I know it was over 500,000. And she said, oh, I haven't been, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. And I'm thinking, because I haven't watched YouTube in a while, like, oh, maybe she's been gone for a couple months. I checked, and this girl was only gone from YouTube for like 3 days. What is that? I'm like, what? 3 days? And that's a while? Oh, please. Over here, SewNaturalDane is definitely going to incorporate time away from YouTube and social media, just because. And I know many people, you know, talk about this, their full-time job, full-time income, and all this other different stuff. It's a stream of income for me. However, even for those who do this full-time or aspire to do it full-time, when you work a full-time job, you get time off, whether it's a week or 2 weeks, 3, 4, 6 weeks, whatever your tenure and all that is, you get time off. So to think that, oh, you can't take time away from YouTube, come on now. But anyway, I am going forward. And I did want to mention thank you to everybody for your support for BHM Pattern Designers. As you all know and can tell, the registration is officially open. And I probably have to switch cameras here in a moment. I don't know where I put my batteries for my camera. Yeah, they're somewhere up in here. But anyway, but my light is flashing, so I may have to stop and come back. But BHM Pattern Designers registration is open, and you guys have blown me away, considering I have not been on social media in a while, and I've only kind of promoted it through the email list and posting a couple things on Instagram and Facebook. You guys are registering, and I thank you. Thank you. Please continue to support and register. The links for the event is down below. There is a cap of 100, and yeah, we are over a quarter way there already. I don't know why I'm shocked or surprised, but yeah, and people are registering for the classes. Thank you everybody for all of your just like support. It's just, I'm like so excited. So if you have not registered, you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave a link to BHM Pattern Designers. The event is Saturday, February 23rd. I'm sorry, February 25th, 2023. And so I'm so excited, so excited. And for those who are interested in just donating, being a sponsor, all of that, you'll find all of that on the sponsor page. I'll leave a link to that down below, but make sure you do register. And then also thank you for your support for the Rebecca Page Holiday 2022 Holiday Craft Summit. You all know I am an instructor this year, and you saw that post go out. It is free, and so it's online. It's a virtual event, so it's online, and that is in November, but everything kicked off, the marketing and all that has kicked off. So I will leave a link down to that. Make sure that you register. Obviously, I am a Rebecca Page brand ambassador, so if you do click on that link, that does help support me. So thank you guys for all of your support. That's it. I think I got it in before my camera cut off on me. So thank you everybody for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. That was a little bit of a chatty show, share with you what's been going on. But if you have any questions, I'm slowly getting back into YouTube and social media. My next video, I don't know when it'll be. It'll be probably something in October sometime, either on my regularly scheduled days, which is Sunday. Okay, not so much. The camera cut off while I was trying to wrap things up. But I thank you everybody for all of your support. Thank you for supporting BHM Pattern Designers. More information about that event will be coming out to those in the Facebook group. So for everybody that registered, you received the link. Make sure if you have registered or you're following and everything, that you are checking your spam, your promotional tab for Gmail and all of that. Make sure nothing went in your junk folder or anything, because you have gotten automatic email responses with links for the Facebook group and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I think that's it. Let me look at my notes. I will have a November sewing buzz. So the sewing buzz goes up every first Sunday of the month. New pattern releases, all of that. And there's been so many pattern know me patterns, all of it. It's been a lot going on in the sewing community. And so yeah, I'm sure you guys have been up on it, and other YouTubers and other people that you follow have been keeping you up to date on all of that. But yeah, lots and lots and lots going on in the sewing community, which is so exciting. I am excited to get back into sewing. Like I said, I do. I've appreciated the break and time away from it, but yeah, by November, I'll definitely be ready. So I am going to go about my day and start moving stuff around in here so I can at least get my sewing table set up, put my machines up there, my cutting table set up, and then everything else so I can kind of start organizing around here. But that is it. Seriously, you guys, make sure you thumbs up this video. Let me know what you've been doing, what you've been working on, all of that good stuff. Keep me, you know, posted. Put it down there in the comment section. Let me know how things been going with you. But I thank you everybody again for your support. All the links to everything I mentioned in today's video will be down in the description box. So thank you, everybody. You all have a blessed rest of your week. We will see you again sometime this month. I promise. Probably a Sunday video, more than likely. But anyway, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification button, all that good stuff. All right, everybody. Have a blessed one. Bye. Thank you.